If you use RingCentral in your business, I want to show you how you can create custom buttons inside of Airtable or any other app that allows you to create custom URL buttons that will take you directly to the RingCentral app on a mobile device or on your computer and pre-fill things like messages or make phone calls. But it's the deep link into the RingCentral app that I finally discovered after back and forth with ChatGPT on how to do this and make it customizable so that depending on the record that I'm in, it will still populate and call the customer in the RingCentral app. It's almost like creating a facade of a single app in Airtable that calls, but the calls are actually being made out of RingCentral. So we're going to show you how this works here. Let me start by showing my iPhone. And what I have done is I've gone inside of a project inside or in Airtable. And you can see here that I have the SMS via RingCentral, the open RingCentral to call, and then call in RingCentral. And I'm just showing you here what this looks like. So when I click this button, it just immediately opens up and I am, it looks like there's more messages here. So it's trying to recover those for me. Let's go back and try one more time with so here we are. I'm going to click SMS via RingCentral. And you can see that the SMS message here is saying, hey, Rod, I have a question for you. And then I could keep typing. That is actually a customizable thing that I chose to put in there. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. But then I can easily just click send and it's going to send the message immediately. If I go back to RingCentral and show you this, open RingCentral to call contact. So I open that. And you'll notice again that it's pre-filled with the phone number. So all I needed to do is click call if I'm ready to call. And now that can be recorded and logged back to HubSpot and all that. But the thing that is so powerful is just making these buttons. So now I want to get into Airtable. How did we do this? How can you do it? And let's try and make this super simple for you to copy. So here is my interface. This is the same interface I was looking at on mobile, just on desktop. And I want to walk you through we're going to actually go to the back end of the data here. And you can see here, I've got several fields that I have created. These are button fields in Airtable. And so here's the secret. I'm going to zoom in right here for you. This is what you need. RC app : // R dialer ? And then you put the information in. So this one is for opening the contact to call. This is open to call them. This is what they call the dialer. Now, if we go look at the one for, let's scroll up to the top here, to call the contact, this one, instead of going to the dialer, this is the RC app call. So this actually rings immediately. And then the last one that we have is the SMS. And this one says, you can see here, RC app R SMS, and then ? type is new. So that is if you wanted to send a new message. I'm not sure if it's what the type, I haven't played around with that. But again, you can do, when you have this RC app : // R / SMS, that's what takes you into the app. So then this is where I was showing you, I can customize this because I have all my Airtable data in here. I wanted to show you this quote, and then I could do that. And now do another thing. So do quote, the quote URL. And let's see, I've never tried this. We're going to see if this works. So I'm just going to confirm the change. All right, so made it back to my phone here. I'm going to click this SMS via RingCentral. And now you can see again, now it says, Rod, I wanted to show you this quote. And then there's a custom link that I put in there. So really, really cool. You can do I'll show you again the call via RingCentral. So when I do that call instead of the dialer, it actually opens up RingCentral and it's calling right now. It's like going through, my phone's actually lit up and it's ringing. That is that's the difference between the dialer and the call, is that the dialer actually is like ringing immediately, versus this other one where it opens up and then it has the phone number pre-filled. So hopefully that was valuable to you. This took me probably a week to try and crack the code on. ChatGPT was not giving me useful information. So hopefully a lifesaver for some of you. Please like the video, subscribe if this content is relevant. And again, my name is Chris with Boolean Automation. where our mission is to free you up to do what you love. We work with painting companies to automate all of their back office processes. So please don't hesitate to reach out if you are a painting company between 4 and 20 million looking to streamline your operations. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next video.